Kay Schubach has a glamorous life. She runs a successful art gallery and is just back in Australia from a holiday in Morocco. She's hardly the stereotypical victim of domestic abuse.
He hit me once when I was driving the car, and then he threw me out of my apartment without any clothes on.
The abuse from her controlling partner got worse.
Tried to kind of smother me in my apartment. I thought that I was going to die, and that's when I knew this was really serious, and I really needed to get out of that situation post-haste.
Schubach's abuser is now in jail. She's written a book about her experience. Her life's back on track. Others are still to get there. Lisa's partner would regularly strangle her. It was 10 years before she sought help. At any one time, 6 women stay at this Sydney refuge. There's space for children too.
So these are kids that are being affected as well. They may not necessarily be seeing something, but kids are definitely aware of what's happening in the home.
It's a story repeated around the world. The first comprehensive international study of violence against women makes for startling reading. Overall, more than a third of women who've been in relationships have suffered either physical or sexual abuse. Most of that abuse has been at the hands of a woman's intimate partner. The abuse can lead to physical injuries, but also to mental health problems or sexually transmitted diseases.
It really brings attention to the magnitude of this global problem and how urgent it is for us to take action, both on partner violence and sexual violence in general.
No country is immune, but violence against women is more prevalent in some parts of the world than others. 2/3 of women in sub-Saharan Africa who say they've ever been in a relationship say they've had an intimate partner being violent towards them. In East Asia, the equivalent figure is just 16%. Everywhere, though, the World Health Organization's central message is the same. Recognise the problem and then address whatever social or cultural factors lie behind it. Andrew Thomas, Al Jazeera, Sydney.